In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress in Godaddy. Whether you're a seasoned webmaster or a curious beginner, mastering WordPress on Godaddy can open up a world of possibilities for your online presence. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, before we even log into your Godaddy account, ensure that you have a domain name and hosting plan set up with Godaddy. Once that's sorted, head over to the Godaddy website and log in. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your account's dashboard. Look for the section labeled My Products. This area is your control center for everything you've purchased or subscribed to with Godaddy. In the My Products section, locate your hosting product and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to the hosting management page, which is where you'll do most of your setup work for WordPress. On this page, you should see an option for Install WordPress, or it might just say WordPress. Click on that, and it will direct you to the WordPress installation screen. On the WordPress installation screen, you'll be prompted to specify a domain for WordPress installation. Choose the domain from the drop-down list that you'd like to associate with WordPress. If you have a specific directory on your site where the installation is intended, you can enter it in the directory field. If you leave this field blank, WordPress will be installed in the root directory. Once you've selected your domain and directory, press the Install or Install Application button. This part might take a few moments as the system sets up your WordPress files and database. Godaddy will notify you once the installation is complete. This notification includes an administrative URL, a username, and a temporary password, which are crucial for accessing and managing your new WordPress site. With the installation complete, the next step is to dig into customizing your WordPress site. Start by navigating to the provided WordPress admin URL and log in using the username and password set during installation. Once you're in, you've reached the WordPress dashboard, which is essentially your control room for the entire site. Here you can manage posts, pages, comments, and your site's appearance. A critical element to consider upon your first log in is the selection of a theme. Navigate to the Appearance tab on the left-hand menu and select Themes. You can choose from a plethora of free and premium themes right from this menu. Select one that best aligns with the look and feel you want for your site. Once your theme is selected, you can delve deeper into customizing it through the Customize button that appears under the Appearance tab. From here, you can change elements like colors, fonts, and layout. As you tinker with these settings, your site will start to come to life. Installing plugins is another essential step for enhancing your site's functionality. Go to the Plugins menu and click Add New. There are thousands of plugins available that can help optimize your site for search engines, improve security, or integrate social media. And there you have it. With your site designed to your liking and equipped with beneficial plugins, you're well on your way to creating an engaging space on the web. Thanks for following along, and happy blogging!